Hi, Gracie. Every time I see the cataracts, I think of I'm wondering if this is the same couple from Mexico City, but I think your child's older, because I did the cataracts review. But at the same time too. Anyway, scoliosis. Scoliosis finding in a 6 months old. First of all, stop age adjusting. Your baby's not 4.5 months old for development. They're 6 months old. They were born 6 months ago, and that's what you need to go to. So, and she's had a rough start. Okay. I first of all, I want to see the videos. You've got poor weight gain, and you've got the torticollis, and yes, scoliosis. It's you need help. There's something going on that's going on. Has anyone pulled the X-rays yet? I know you're young on the X-rays, but still, you've got that going on. The poor weight gain and the stork bites. Are they stork bites or are they the eczema? I can't tell from the pictures, because you're mentioning that only taking the breast milk, you know, but the poor weight gain. They still needs to be looked at by possibly GI because of the low tone and causing any of the things going on with the upper respiratory and upper digestive system. But really, the first thing you need to deal with is a bilateral cataract. So cataracts will affect the development quite severely. There's not only the surgery, but the ways the filament in the eyes are meant to do the vestibular system. Now I've got to find this video. I did a really good video review on cataracts, and I think it just got disappeared. But I'm going to have to find it and do it. But I really can't go further with this without videos. I need to see what's going on. I do see the curvature in the spine. However, I need to see if we got a hip issue, because usually if the spine's starting to curve out, even the torticollis, the hips are something's going on there. But I can't tell without seeing the way that your child's moving. So, and I'd like to know when the cataracts were done, and we can go from there. But I will go into it further. But I just need more information from you to help you specifically with all that's going on. Thanks.